Hi students, this is Nisha Parikh from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am going to teach general knowledge of Standard 2. Chapter 1, India, our country, Part 1. So we all live in India. So India is our country, and in India we see different people from different states. They speak different languages. So in this lesson we are going to see which state is located to which direction. So let us start with our lesson. But before starting with our lesson, I want to show you one picture. You have to identify what picture that is. So can you see this picture? What is this? This is nothing but our India map. So in this map we find all our states in India, their boundaries, oceans, lakes, rivers. So let us see what this map tells us. Here you can find some symbols given. So these symbols are nothing but legend. It is a key or symbol because we cannot draw everything on a small map. On a sheet of paper we cannot draw. So that's why they use legends, that is symbols or keys, to tell about that thing. So let us see. Here dark dot you can see, that is state capital, and the red box with a red dot, that is our country's capital. You can see here New Delhi, it is our country's capital. Then white dotted lines, that is state boundaries, and black dotted lines, that is international boundaries. So this legend helps us to see the map. Here you can find places like Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka. These all states you can find. And here with the states you can find one dark dotted dot, and there again you can find one name given. So that are the states capitals. So now in this lesson we are going to see which states lies in which direction. Before seeing that, we have to know which direction is where. So towards the north, towards the top it is north, and towards bottom it is south, and towards left it is west, and towards right it is east. So remember this. On a map, the topmost direction is north, and the bottom direction is south, and the left side it is west, and the right side it is east. So with these directions you can locate which state is towards which direction. So let us start with our notes. Write down the names of two states in North India. So you have seen the map and directions: north, south, west, east. So you, in this question, you have to write two states in North India. So let us see. Where is north? Towards top. So here we can see many states. So from these states you can write any two states which are located towards north. Here we have written Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. You can write any two states towards north. Next question. Write down the names of two states in South India. So we have seen that map, and the bottom side is south. So we have to write two states towards south. So let us see which states are towards south. Here, this is the south. So here we can find many states. So we have to write any two state names over here. We have written here Tamil Nadu and Kerala. You can write any two states names towards the south. Next. Write down the names of two states in West India. So you have to write two states lies towards the west of India. So in map, which side is west? The left side is west. So here you can find many states. So from this you have to write the name of two states which lies towards west. We have written here Gujarat, Maharashtra. You can write any two states' names. Next, write down the names of two states in East India. So you have to write the names of two states in East India. So let us see in map which side is the east. Towards right it is east. So these all are the states towards east. So you can write any state which lies towards east. We have written Assam and Bihar. You can write any two states' names. In these four questions, we have seen the different states at different directions. In next question, we will see about the seas which surrounds our India. So let us see. Fifth question. Write down the name of the two seas that surround India. So two seas which surrounds India. Let us see which are the two seas that surrounds India. That is Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. So what we have to do? We have to write it over here. Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. So these both are the seas which surround India. Next question. Color the smallest state of India in red. So you have to see the map and color the smallest state of India in red. So let us see which is the smallest state here. See, you can see Goa. This is the smallest state. So what you have to do? You have to color this state with red color. Next. Then what you have to do? You have to write it over here, so it will be easy for you. Then next, color the largest state of India in blue. So which is the largest state of India? We have to color with that state with blue color. So let us see in this map which is the largest state. This is here Rajasthan, and see other states, they are small states than Rajasthan. So what you have to do? You have to color this Rajasthan with blue color, and then you have to write it here. So the largest state of India is Rajasthan and the smallest state of India is Goa. So remember this, which states lies to which direction and which seas surrounds India, which is the largest state, which is the smallest state. You have to remember this all things. And here in this map you can see blue color this side downwards, and upwards you can see white color. So this white color says that these areas are snow areas. Here you can find snow, and the blue color is water area. Here you can find water. So this all for today, and this all notes you have to write in your textbook. Thank you.